Welcome to SAG Infotech. In this video tutorial, we will tell you about the difference between GSTR1 and GSTR3B, which is for given tax period of which either you have filed the return or you are about to file the return. With the help of these difference, you will be able to rectify your relevant returns and can match details filled in both the returns. For the difference, first we have to go to GSTR returns, GSTR1, select the respective client, the month, go to e-file. Now, as you can see at the bottom of the page, one button is there which names difference between R1 and 3B. Click on this button. Here, a dialog box is appeared with both the details of GSTR 3B and GSTR 1. In red color, as you can see, these are the detailed taxable value, liability, IGST, etc. Same in GSTR 1, again the total taxable value, everything is displayed in red color. Now, the difference which you want to see will be displayed at the right side in black color, as you can see. There is one more button which we have given in our software of reconciliation. On clicking this button, one data dialog box will appear. In this, all the detailed values of GSTR1 will be mentioned here and the tax related to it. You can once recheck the data with the data shown outside this dialog box. Click on Exit. This is how you can see the difference between GSTR1 and GSTR3B. Thank you.